So, are you the type of person that likes to know tips and tricks and stuff you can do on your own? Check out this video. Hey, I'm Travis Daggett with Cornerstone Properties in Eugene with Adam at Adam's Carpet Cleaning. Check out our other videos if you haven't already. We talked about how to help with the way your carpet looks and smells and how sanitary it is and how to save money. And last, we're just going to talk about a tip or a trick. So, Adam, what's something that someone can do or use on their own, maybe in between when they have their carpet cleaned professionally?
Sure. A lot of the problem with these home spotters that you could buy from the grocery store or wherever, a big problem is they leave a residue behind. So, soap is not necessarily a bad, like a dangerous chemical for you. A lot of them, um, they're very safe. However, when you're using it on a porous material like a carpet, you want to make sure that there isn't any what's called sticky residue that it leaves behind. There's always going to be using any cleaning solution. There will always be a little bit of residue, but there's a huge difference between something that leaves a sticky residue versus one that it's very mild and that's easily rinsed out for the carpet cleaners to come and use hot water extraction to rinse it out later. This is more of a cover up, but when something gets spilled or there's a spot that's just really bugging you, maybe that the dog, is laying in a spot or somebody spilled something like that. I understand, you want to get it out just for peace of mind. I recommend a product. It's called Procyon Soap Free Spot Remover. So they've actually done close-ups on a molecular level and found that it doesn't leave the sticky residue that another carpet does because it's soap free. It's also better for your family. It's certified green product. It has the green seal of approval, which is probably the most recognized out of all the green certifications. It's also hypoallergenic, which means it can't cause any allergic reaction to people or pets. And also, it's fragrance free. There's no fragrance in it at all. It's you could smell water and you could smell that, and it would be exactly the same. Um, I've used it before. I'm a believer in the product. They actually use this product in hospitals because of the hypoallergenic um, part things that are made of how it's made. So um, I really recommend the product. Go to their website and I'm not sure where you could order it, but I'm sure you can find out on the website. It's soapfreeprocyon.com.
Awesome. Cool. Great tip. Any questions about that? Just post in the comments. And if you found this helpful, like it and share it. I'm Travis Daggett with Cornerstone Properties in Eugene, here with Adam at Adam's Carpet Cleaning. Thanks.